Chandrayaan-3 Details. ISRO sent Chandrayaan-3 in its third journey to the moon. Chandrayaan-3 is the next project after Chandrayaan-1 and Chandrayaan-2. It will demonstrate how safe it is to land and navigate on the moon. Chandrayaan-3 launched by ISRO on July 14, 2023. The Chandrayaan-3 got launched from HDSC SHAR in Sriharikota. The Chandrayaan-3 was launched almost 4 years after the Chandrayaan-2 failure. According to reports, Chandrayaan-3 has cost about $77 million. The launch vehicle Mark III LVM-3 rocket carried Chandrayaan-3 into space. Chandrayaan-3's main goals are to land safely on the surface, show how the rover works, and do scientific tests on the surface. Chandrayaan-3 is likely to land around August 23 or August 24. Thanks for watching.